Hello, today I'll be making a virgin mojito. It's a lime mint mojito. The things I have arranged for is a jar or a glass, a tumbler, ice, mint leaves, lime, and then a couple of things like the spoon, the bar spoon, and a muddler. You can use a normal spoon. You can even do away with the muddler. You can do using a spoon or any other bigger spoons which you have at home. It is just to crush the mint leaves. Okay, I've cut the lime and now I'll just squeeze it in. And we'll also be using soda. We have a soda maker. We'll use cool water to make sparkled water and then use it for the mojito, and then add ice too. Some people prefer a lot of ice, some prefer more of a fluidy drink. Yeah, I'm just squeezing it in. Looks like this will be fine. I'll keep it in. These are the mint leaves. We have actually homegrown them. The thing with mint leaves is they have a certain amount of oils in them which give a lot of taste and smell, and that happens only when we slightly crush them. We don't crush them completely. If you crush them completely, it gives a bitter taste. So a lot of chefs and mojito makers, what they do is they just put it in the palm, crush it this way and then put it inside. Personally, I like mint a lot. And now we just use the muddler. Don't crush the mint leaves, we just gently press the mint leaves. Yeah, that's it. So this releases oils which give a minty taste to our drink rather than adding essences. It's better to do that. I just pile them in, just press on them, that's it. They are not torn into pieces. We don't break the leaves. Yes, that is it. So I keep it here, and then now, yes, I take the measuring jar. This is our sugar syrup. Sugar gets dissolved well, so I use this, and mostly I add the double measured one. It's easy to pour it over. Yes, that makes it better. Then I'll just add it to it. I'll add some ice. We have added little amount of ice, and then we will add the soda which we made at home. So this is the Butler soda maker. I filled it with cold water, then we just put it here, fit it right in, close it, and then press the top one. Now that it is done, we just open it, take make it over. It should be filled up to the mark, but I have filled it a little more. That is why there is spillage over. Yeah, now that the soda is ready, we'll just pour it, stirring it over. You can use a soda from the shops. We have just used one that is made at home. We use little ice because our water is cold as it is. Now I just close it in and it is ready to drink.